This time, Jennifer will show centerless grinding machine, which is suitable for mass production components.
Additionally, we will prepare samples produced by our machines for visitors' reference.
From the start to the end. For example, an automation equipment can have the air units.
Our hydraulic rotary actuators features high torque, rugged durability.
And solenoid valves with flow option up to 480 lpm.
Hola,
Hola,
¿cuál es el nombre de su empresa? ¿Quién es usted?
this is William. I'm the export sales manager at the Jennifer Machine Company. Jennifer Machine Company has more than 40 years experience on producing centerless, cylindrical, internal, double spindle, center hole, vertical, and thread grinding machine.
¿Qué productos o servicios está preparado para llevar a la exposición de EXPOMAQ 2024?
This time, Jennifer will show centerless grinding machine, which is suitable for mass production components.
¿Por qué ustedes van a participar en EXPOMAQ 2024?
Our Mexican market is a new and highly potential market for Jennifer Machine Company. There are many companies invest and open new factory in Mexico. Jennifer would like to show the grinding machine to those requests of the potential customer, also to help customer to find a solution.
Hola,
Hola. Hello, my name is Tiffany, and I'm a sales representative in Sense Presses. Sense Presses was established by our president, Mr. Zhang Shiqi, in 1980s. As a professional press makers, we provide reliable and high-quality presses for our customers.
¿qué producto o servicio le está preparado para llevar a la exposición de EXPOMAQ 2024?
Considering our various products, we will demonstrate the operational status of the machine through videos. Additionally, we will prepare samples produced by our machines for visitors' reference.
¿Cómo es el rendimiento y la calidad de los productos?
SensePress insists on develop high precision, high rigidity press that operate with low noise and low vibration. We are proud of our quality of our machines and have received positive feedbacks from both locals and overseas customers. As a result, we have become the first choice of our customers when they invest in new equipment.
Somos Taiwan Chile. My name is Brooke in the Chile sales team.
¿Qué productos y servicios está preparado para llevar a la exposición de EXPOMAQ 2024?
To get all the eyes from the visitor, we prepare electric actuators, switch, vacuum system, and grippers. Provide more competitive automation components to show during the exhibition.
¿Cómo apoyan sus productos a la automatización en los campos de producción, inspección y embalaje?
Chile has different automation components from the start to the end. For example, an automation equipment can have the air units, solenoid valve, tube, fitting, and cylinder. All the parts can be found in the Chile.
¿Qué especialidades tienen a los componentes de automatización de Taiwan Chile en el mercado global?
We are proud that Chile have more than 10,000 models. You can do one shop stop in the Chile and find all you want.
Hola,
Hola, buenos días.
buenos días. ¿Cuál es el nombre de su empresa? ¿Quién es usted?
We are Ocean Fluid Power Company. Our company was established in 1984 and specializes in customizing high-quality hydraulic cylinders. We are the first fluid power company in Taiwan to obtain AS9100 certification for aerospace quality management.
¿Qué producto o servicio le está preparado para llevar a la exposición de EXPOMAQ 2024?
We are very excited to showcase our hydraulic rotary actuators, fluid viscous dampers, and hydraulic cylinders and automatic quick couplers at the EXPOMAQ. And we will demonstrate how we can assist customers in solving their challenges by providing custom-made solutions to fit their needs.
¿Puede explicar las características únicas de actuador de rotación hidráulico de su empresa y cómo beneficia en las aplicaciones de ingeniería en México?
Our hydraulic rotary actuators features high torque, rugged durabilities, versatile application, and safe, reliable operation. It is particularly suitable for applications requiring a complex structure design, especially construction machineries and automation systems. We welcome everyone to visit our stand 2120 to discuss your need with our team.
Increíble, muchísimas gracias, Luis.
Gracias.
Hello everyone, my name is Polly, and I'm the sales specialist of Wiener Hydraulics. Wiener Hydraulics Corporation is an internationally recognized manufacturer of screw-in hydraulic cartridge valves, solenoid valves, manifolds, and mini power packs.
¿Cuáles son las características tecnológicas de los productos fabricados por la empresa?
The hydraulic cartridge valves produced by Wiener have excellent performance with high pressure up to 350 bar and solenoid valves with flow option up to 480 LPM and almost zero leakage. All series cartridge valves have passed 1,000 hours of salt spread test and all valves are 100% tested.
¿Qué producto o servicio está preparado para llevar a la exposición de EXPOMAQ 2024?
We are bringing EP solenoid valves, ES solenoid valves, counterbalance valves, and various types of manifolds, as well as AC and DC mini power packs. Our long-term cooperation partners in Mexico named Servicio Hidráulico Industrial will attend EXPOMAQ 2024 at our booth 2122. We look forward to meeting everyone.
Muchísimas gracias, Polly.
Nos vemos.
Nos vemos.
Nos vemos. EXPOMAQ.
EXPOMAQ.